This short sequence of film is typical of many a bad film. The camera swings or hose pipes around and the operator is constantly zooming in and out. Shooting like this makes for a very uncomfortable film to watch. The clip is one long continuous shot from start to finish. The second example is much better, as instead of zooming in and out, the camera operator stops recording, changes camera position and zoom setting, then starts filming again, and not a single zoom in sight. Simply, if you feel like zooming, stop recording, move, and then start recording again. And break your film down into a series of shorter sequences. Not only will it look better, but it will be easier to edit. Remember to hit that button.